Now let's take a look at how PreBilt handles error messages. When something goes wrong, like entering an invalid value or scanning the wrong bin, PreBilt displays a clear, immediate error message on screen. It appears briefly and then fades away. If you happen to miss the message, you can tap the error message icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to view it again. This time, the message appears larger and requires the user to acknowledge it before continuing. You can also press the F9 key to display the error message in the same way, ensuring it's clearly visible and not overlooked. What's great is that PreBilt's configuration supports message code replacement, turning complex or technical system errors into clear, easy-to-understand messages for the user. There's also the option to include icons or buttons for added clarity, and to display the full message text so you can quickly understand the issue, take action, and move on with your task. Overall, PreBilt's approach to error handling keeps communication simple, intuitive, and user-focused, making problem-solving faster, clearer, and more efficient.